Blessings, everyone, and welcome back to Elite Jamaica, and welcome back to this hotel review. Now, just about 5 minutes out of the town of Morant Bay, we get to the small yet beautiful and comfortable Barefoot Villa and Guest House. Alright, this is owned by Mr. Roberts and his wife. They are a very nice couple, and the staff here, them really take care of the room. Alright, so with no further ado, watch the intro and let us get into this hotel review. Alright. Morning. Is the passage. Now we've got 15 rooms, and let me show you one of these rooms. So this is the one I got. This is the one I got. You get a settee also. Now that's what's left of my breakfast. Big up to the market restaurant. You know, clean bathroom, and you know, guys, I always refer to the cleanliness of these hotels. This one is rather clean. You know, I'm loving this one. Alright, now I'm gonna show you guys the seating area. Now we've got a lovely seating area out here. Settees. Settees. Nice paintings. You know. A seating area right here.
Hello, I'm not coming today. I think it's St. Thomas now.
A lot to read. Now this is another seating area. It's very lovely over here, guys. You've got a bar. And I should think public bathroom for the bar. And then this is a balcony right here. Now we've got downstairs lovely kittens. Now we've got downstairs. Let's go back downstairs. Okay. Now, guys, this is the entrance, the main entrance.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I try so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep.